On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Oh, FedEx is here. It's here, boys. What's up?
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Long ride from Ocala, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Still got a few more to go, huh?
Yeah,
Thanks.
no problem.
Have a good day, man. Alright. HOVSCO. The HOVSCO HovAlpha Step-Over e-bike. Let's see what it looks like. We're going to do two videos. One video is going to be the build video. Then my next video will be the test drive and how long the battery lasts. See if we can make it out to Ford Island Beach and back. Hey kitty, what do you think? If you cut open, stay at the very top, of course. Nice fat sand tires. I always like opening a box this way because then it gives you a little work pad. Unless you have a nice garage. I don't down here. Now this battery has a unique light feature on it. 120 piece LED with a 4-meter range. So you can use the battery in this as a flashlight. 3-level adjustable brightness. This has a 48 volt, 20 amp hour, 960 watt hour battery. 750 watt hub drive. Looks like SUTTO with a 1032 watt peak. 7 speed. Up to 20 on throttle, can be adjusted to 28 on pedal assist. 60-mile range on throttle, 80 with pedal assist. 450 pound load capacity. It's got a 3 amp fast charger, and it's got 26 inch by 4 inch fat tires. Pretty beefy. Wheel bearings feel pretty good. See, they have those dust seals there. There's the fast charger. Fancy headlight. Does come with a tool kit. Aluminum pedals. Kickstand. Quick release front axle bolt. And I don't know what that is yet. Hey, Gizmo. What do you think, Gizmo? Like it? You want a basket for this one too? You can fine tune this later if needed. So it looks like the toolkit consists of 13, 15, 10, 8, 17, 14 wrench set. 4 different Allen wrenches and a screwdriver. The user's manual. This is a step-over design. Warranty card. Doesn't say in the book, but you can register your bike here. How to assemble your bike. They give you a QR code. You can either watch my video or you can go to their website that shows you how to do it. We have to get this around to the other side, like that. And then we'll put the handlebars on. They're all riding today. About 12 of them. So these have degree marks for your handlebars. A little mark there. Little increments that you can go off. These are actually hydraulic hoses because it has hydraulic brakes and hydraulic calipers that go to disc brakes. So we definitely don't want that rubbing up against our tire here, which is why this bracket is here to hold it. I can neaten up all this loom a little bit later. Looks like we're ready to put this front wheel on. Quick disconnect axle. Take our little keeper out. If that's missing and the brake pads are touching, you'd have to pry them apart gently with a screwdriver so it'll fit over that brake rotor. I usually make it so it's just snug, and then that tightens it. Then we can squeeze the front brakes. Wow, that's a pretty good sized battery. There's your light. Kind of a neat idea. So I'm going to do a full charge on this while I'm finishing building the bike. Looks like you could put this whole thing together in less than an hour. I'm almost done and it's been about 25 minutes. So it looks like I got to turn this around. Actually, I'll put the pedal for this side on. Still don't know what this is. So it looks like you have assembly instructions in here also. Oh, I see. That is a guard. That's a guard if you decide to use it. Might not be a bad idea, because if you fall down on this side, you could wreck that. I don't think they give you a big enough wrench. Nope. Looks like some pretty nice welds. And then they're sanded down, smoothed off here. The right pedal takes a right hand thread. Now we can turn this around and work on the other side. Let's finish getting these tie wraps, zip ties off. The left side takes a left hand thread. We will put that on. It's alright, it's all I could find down here. This is the connection for the 75 watt hub, SUTTO hub, or is that SUTTO? Am I pronouncing it correctly? They got a little Loctite on there, not a bad idea. So the plate for the kickstand goes behind the frame. Easy peasy. HOVSCO.com. HOVAlpha. So it doesn't have a brake light, but it has a little light for the rear for nighttime riding. Good idea. So it looks like you can lock the battery or leave it unlocked. A little extra connection in there for something. I don't want to forget to put this guard on. Yeah, I told you my tools are limited down here, boys. So remove this spacer so you have enough thread. Looks pretty good. No birthmarks that I found yet. I did notice while I was putting this together, a couple of these screws were a little loose. So just like any bike that you put together, it's advisable to go through and make sure all of them are snug. You don't want to lose any of these accessory bolts, because that's what they are. It's always good to go over the bolts of a new bike. It'd be nice to have a tool thing there, or something like a bag that you could put tools and water and stuff in there. I see that they have accessories on their site. Go to HOVSCO.com. They actually have quite a few accessories. Battery's fully charged. The battery's pretty heavy, so you can lock the battery so that it can't be removed, which is a good idea. I will leave it locked. So there's an app on this because it connects Bluetooth, so you can adjust the speed and some other options. So let's see what we got. Oh, page not found. That was showing an Apple download, that's why. They don't have an Android?
A few moments later.
So, they did not have the Android app on their website, but they're updating it. If you don't see it there still, send them an email, or I can give you a link. First start. Odometer and trip. Headlight. Give your pedal assist. 5 levels. Let's see how we connect the Bluetooth app now. Actually, I have to sign up first. First thing you have to do when you open the app is make an account. So, with create an account, they'll send an email. Activate your account. Go into the app. Log in. The app is a little glitchy for Android. I think it's in its early stages. Let's add this bike. Enter the dynamic code 3252. There. When you peel this off, don't throw it away, save it. So looks like we are connected. So let's go into here. Select Class 3. Agree. It's a little buggy. I'm ranking number 0 because I haven't been anywhere. Let's see how this thing rides. I gotta put a battery in that. First ride. Pedal assist 1. So you have to have it in one of the pedal assist modes for the throttle to work. I'm used to having the throttle on the right side. Pedal assist 1. And it senses how much pressure you put on the pedal, so that's pretty good. Curious to see how this is going to work in the sand. I don't know why, but the hub feels a little more torquey than the last few e-bikes that I've reviewed, and they all have 750 watt hubs. Shows on your brake. It is not touch. Nice screen though. Well, I think we're ready for a road trip, boys. Stay tuned, because that's the next video to come out.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.